Embarking on the journey to become a physical therapist in America begins with earning a bachelor's degree. This foundational step, typically lasting 4 years, is essential in preparing for the complexities of physical therapy. Students are encouraged to focus on science-related fields such as biology, kinesiology, or exercise science, while also completing prerequisite courses necessary for admission to Doctor of Physical Therapy, DPT programs. This academic groundwork equips future therapists with a robust understanding of human anatomy and bodily mechanics, setting the stage for advanced studies. Following the completion of a bachelor's degree, the next critical milestone is obtaining a Doctor of Physical Therapy, DPT degree. Admission to an accredited DPT program usually involves a competitive selection process, but once accepted, students dive deeper into specialized coursework and practical applications of therapy techniques. Over the course of 3 years, they engage in varied subjects ranging from biomechanics to pathology, ultimately cultivating the knowledge needed to assess and treat patients effectively. Practical experience is key in physical therapy training, which is why the DPT curriculum includes clinical internships that provide hands-on training. These supervised placements allow aspiring therapists to develop their skills in real-world settings, working alongside experienced professionals and interacting with diverse patient populations. By the time graduates complete their DPT, they will have amassed invaluable clinical experience, which is instrumental in preparing them for their future careers. After earning a DPT, new graduates need to pass the National Physical Therapy Examination, NPTE, an essential step in showcasing their expertise and readiness to practice. Successfully navigating this exam demonstrates competence in various aspects of physical therapy practice. Following this, obtaining state licensure is crucial as requirements can vary by state, often requiring additional exams or background checks before candidates can officially begin practicing. With appropriate certifications in hand, prospective therapists may now consider optional specializations to further enhance their careers. Areas of focus such as sports, pediatrics, or geriatrics allow physical therapists to tailor their practices to specific patient needs, fostering a more rewarding career path. As they step into the workforce, whether in hospitals, rehabilitation centers, private clinics, or schools, physical therapists are greeted by strong job demand, competitive salaries, and opportunities for continuous growth in this dynamic healthcare field.